Precise electrification, leading the future with smart tracking systems. This session will run from 10 to 11 Beijing time. We will focus on TrinaTracker's groundbreaking advancements in automation and electrification, showcasing the Vanguard Series Multi-Motor System, innovative smart tracking algorithms, insights from TrinaTracker's SNEC exhibition, and a quick installation demo of the Vanguard 2P. Let's get started. The innovative automation, precise electrification. In 2023, TrinaTracker made significant progress in electrical intelligence drive resolution, leading the future development of the tracker mounting structured field. Now let's welcome TrinaTracker's product manager, Chang Chen-Ying, to present innovative automation, precise electrification, leading the future with smart tracking systems. Please give me a round of applause to welcome him. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to first of all introduce myself. I am a product manager. My name is Chang Chen-Ying. I will present the topic of innovative automation, precise electrification, leading the future with smart tracking systems. We'll cover our tracker system. I'd like to first of all give you an outline of what we are going to talk about. First of all, what is tracker system? And second, why is TrinaTracker focus on this area? And number three, how is our product like? Now, I'd like to first of all introduce ourselves before I delve into the products. We have acquired a Spanish company called Enclave. In 2018, we partially acquired, and in 2021 we acquired in full. We have developed 10 gigawatts of capacity of tracker and 20 gigawatts of total tracker capacity. Altogether 400 projects in China, around 100 projects has been carried out. The reason why we focus on electrified transmission in 2020, we have seen this change in the market. Before 2020, the smaller modules were used, and with the increase of the size of modules, the market has raised their requirements on the tracker, and this means the module has grown, expanded from around 40 meters to 70 meters. At the time, when the length was 40 meters, we can control with single point drive, and with the expansion of tracker, the surface receiving the wind will be more challenging. That is where people started building more drive points. In addition to providing the drive, it also provides the locking mechanism so as to fasten the structure where it should be, and this raised the demand of more automated systems so as to control a stable operation of the tracker. This shows the first generation solution. We have the passive, we have the drive rod, and the universal joint connected. You can understand this as a mechanical transmission. And in the second generation, we cancelled all those mechanical systems. They are connected with a wire, and you can see this as an electrified drive system. This is our second generation. In 2022, we finished our development, and this year we started applying them in our systems, in our projects. And the reason why we canceled the mechanical system can be seen from this diagram. In a mechanical transmission, wherever a breakage has occurred in the system, the mechanical system cannot sense itself. If one of the mechanical point has seen normal operation, whereas another one see a breakage, what will happen? You can imagine there will be a torsional, torsion breaking the tracker system, the module, the purling, with these all constitute severe consequence, and that warrants the need for transform the system. With the new system, the 3 points are independent and motor-driven operation. These drive points are not mechanically connected. They are entirely wired together through electrical wires. With the cancellation of the mechanical drive rods, how do we synchronize their operation? This is what we have done across the development team. Across the length of above 60 meters, how can we synchronize the stable operation? This requires support the active controller and the passive controller. The software is also crucial in this process. If we look at this internal structure in the active controller, there is one inclinometer sensor. In the passive controller, the same meter inclinometer can be observed in the center of the tracker and the side of the tracker. If the angle exceeds 0.6 degrees, a fault warning will be sent. Because this indicates imbalanced support. If it exceeds 2 degrees, the system rebalances the system so that wherever the fault occurs on the side or the center, we enable restoration to the balanced position. The electrified drive may raise concerns. People may wonder, it is the electric system, and how does it adapt to environments, to climates, to extreme weathers? And to answer these questions, I'd like to show you a series of tests. The mechanical system is shown on the left-hand side. It's composed by the hook and connectors, the joints. On one row, there are 6 types of components, 20 connecting points, and 120 bolts and nuts. If one of them malfunction, the tracker will be faced with torsion. If the system is installed in the desert with strong wind, this will be even more acute. The issue will more likely to occur. This will accelerate the wear of our components. Now, striding into the electrified system, we have 0 components, 0 connection points, and 0 nuts and bolt. So 0 points observed prone to risks. Test has been conducted in an environment of -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The outdoor temperature guaranteed is -30 to 60. The difference exists in what we can guarantee and what we tested. But we tested in an extreme temperature to provide the guarantee that we can offer. We also have water protection, the spray tests, the OLM time tests. This diagram shows a comparison in response to the customer's concern. The customer is concerned of the OLM time, and we offer faster installation. Previously, it required 11 hours per megawatt hour, and now it's 8.5 megawatt hour. So we were able to shorten the time by 1/5. In terms of the OEM costs, the current OEM cost stands at 31,000. In comparison, our rivals require 47,000 of O&M time, O&M cost. In China and in international markets alike, with the increasing demand on the installation, we focus on the customer's time and cost savings. In addition to the theory, we have also successfully applied these technology in 2023. The first case I'd like to introduce is in Rockville, Chile, with the installed capacity of 42 megawatt. The second project in Bosnia with 60 megawatt of capacity. In China, the Baisong project in Sichuan province has an installed capacity of 79 megawatt. The next project in Qilijun of Dunhuang, the installed capacity is 142 megawatt, and that is the largest installed capacity we have done so far. And if you're interested, you're all welcomed to pay a visit. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your wonderful presentation. This is where you can scan the QR code on the screen to complete the questionnaire or survey of today's presentation. Next up will be a lucky draw for audience on site of the exhibition. So before next presentation, I'd like to remind everyone to participate in our live stream giveaway. You can repost the live stream post and share your stories with Trinasolar or your takeaways from the live. Don't forget to tag Trinasolar for the chance to win our exquisite mug gift sets. Series application of intelligent digital technologies, TrinaTracker has not only significantly increased the power generation of tracker structure, but also greatly optimized the O&M processes. These innovative technologies make the tracking system more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. Next, I welcome TrinaTracker Smart Algorithm Product Manager Ye Yizhou to present digitalization of smart tracking algorithm.
TrinaTracker fans, good morning and welcome to our booth. My name is Ye Yizhou. I'm the product manager of TrinaTracker Smart Control System, and I'm very delighted to be here to share with you our solutions. And my presentation will mainly focus on the following aspects: TrinaTracker Intelligent Tracking Solutions Overview, the PV power station pain points analysis, TrinaTracker Intelligent Control System, our product value, global applications, typical cases, and last but not least, the customer values we provide. First of all, let's look at TrinaTracker Intelligent Tracking Solutions. Well, here we have highly reliable tracker, highly efficient smart control system, and also Vanguard 1P, Vanguard 2P, and fixed origin, as well as the Agile 1P. We also provide TCU control units to ensure smooth operation of the system. We also provide SuperTrack to further improve the electricity generation efficiency, as well as the Trina Smart Cloud to provide the monitoring platform. But before we dive in to this solution, first of all, let's First, take a look at why we want to develop this system independently. Well, actually, PV power station face lots of challenges. For instance, instability of the power supply system and reliable issues of the batteries, communication issues, and also the traditional tracking algorithm may not be able to ensure high operation and usage of sunlight because of cloudy days and uneven terrains. Hence, this may lead to low efficiency and require a large amount of manpower input, hence posing a great challenge to the owners of these power plants. That is why we have SuperTrack and other smart platforms, and also TrinaTracker. Now let's look at them one by one. First is TrinaTracker. It allows multiple communication methods, including LoRa, Zigbee, and wired RS485. It could provide multiple protections, including strong wind protection mechanism and snow and hail removal mode. It allows various power supply methods, including string power supply, small module power supply, and AC power supply. It also has a dual power supply design. The main power and backup power would work together to ensure unstopped operation. Now let's move on to look at Trina Smart Cloud. It could in real-time monitor the operation of the trackers and generate the working log. Furthermore, it has introduced lots of other functions, for instance, a 3D digital map, the operation warns, as well as fault alarm, and etc., greatly enhance the operation and maintenance efficiency. Before the fault happens, we could do early intervention so as to lower the waste and the loss. Because of that, in terms of the system security and safety operation, we have introduced a multi-role access management, and people can be assigned different roles for different access authorities. And this allows refined management. We also have the master-slave redundancy design. And next, let's look at what is the 3D digital map. Here I have prepared a short video clip for all of you. So this map allows 3D modeling, showcasing dynamic moves of the trackers in real time. Different colors here refer to different status. For instance, gray and yellow refer to abnormal status, and operators can quickly identify the faulty ones, hence greatly enhance the operation and maintenance efficiency. This is SuperTrack algorithm. Here includes STA and SBA. It could effectively increase the power generation in the cloudy days and other high diffuse irradiation weather conditions. We also have the micro shading, which can reduce the power generation losses caused by shading from the front and rear rows. And here you can have a further look of the SBA and STA. SBA would first of all track the power generation data, and then that's the gray part, and then feedback to the box, and SuperTrack would automatically identify the best angle for power generation. The second way is the terrain slope data based improvement. And these two models, power generation data-based and terrain slope data-based, these two ways can both enhance the power generation efficiency. Moving on, let's look at the TrinaTracker, and next let's look at the TrinaTrack functionalities. SuperTrack could effectively enhance the electricity generation, as I mentioned, in cloudy days and highly diffuse irradiation weathers. In the future, TrinaTrack will further enhance the efficiency in other scenarios. Furthermore, a SuperTrack would further enhance the power generations in different seasons. It would enhance its self-learning capability and in snow slopes. Trina Smart Cloud would ensure high efficiency by ensuring cybersecurity, health diagnosis, and 3D digital map. Now let's look at the applications. Since its launch in 2022, so far, the total capacity around the world is 6.2 gigawatts. We will continue to further enhance the power generation performance and the efficiency for our clients around the world. Here are a list of the typical cases. SuperTrack's performance has been verified in sites around the world. Here you can see in Spain, the total cloudy day gains increased by 5.55% thanks to SuperTrack. In Ningxia, China, the cloudy day gains increased by 11.83%. And last year in Shandong, in an old power generation station, the cloudy day gains increased by 10.39% thanks to SuperTrack, and the total gains is 3.28%. We'll continue to launch more and more real cases later on this year, so please stay tuned. Finally, from the third-party perspective, I'd like to share with you the values we can provide to end customers. Here we worked with BNV, and BNV simulated the SuperTrack gains mechanism, and their results are highly in line with our internal results. As you can see, the LCOE would be decreased by 2.72% by the application of SuperTrack. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much, and I look forward to having more opportunities to share with you our intelligent tracker items. Thank you very much, Mr. Ye.
Sorry, we're here. Vale, todo como siempre. Ya. Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome to our TrinaTracker event here at the SNEC. We are really happy to have you all here, the people who is here, and also for live.
We are from the TrinaTracker Global Marketing Team. We can't wait to introduce you in some of our amazing colleagues and talk about the latest innovations that our company is making in the solar industry.
Today, we'll be chatting with some of our colleagues. As you can see here, some from the overseas and some from China. So they will share their experience and thoughts about the future of the solar industry and also about the solution that we have that is taking the market. So I think that it's time, so let's start all together. Cuando paso para aquí para presentar a Jorge.
First, we have the pleasure of interviewing Jorge Martin. He is a senior engineer at TrinaTracker. Jorge is passionate about renewable energy and leads the development of innovative solutions for sustainable power. Welcome, Jorge.
Hello, welcome.
How are you doing?
Very good. Here in the States.
Yeah, the first time here.
Yes.
So,
Okay, so I'm going to start with the first question, Jorge, for you, okay?
Yeah, okay.
So, you know that TrinaTracker is famous for its quality solar tracker solution.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us about one of the latest products or features that your team has developed and how it's advancing solar energy sector?
Yeah, we have mentioned that we have developed new product, smart algorithm, smart algorithm, smart track. This is an algorithm that follows the position of the sun, maximizing the energy and efficiency. Also, will also produce like the model we have last longer and maximize the production and efficiency. So I'm happy that we have introduced this product in the solar energy.
Okay. Yeah.
thank you for sharing this vision with us. Well, another question for you, Jorge. TrinaTracker is known for the reliability and durability of its products. Can you highlight a feature or design aspect of our trackers that set them apart from others in the market?
Yes, I think Andrea is a good question. I think the main things is the robust smart tracking algorithm. I think it is one of the key features that make us follow the sun and maximize energy production in high weather conditions. So also I will remark another aspect is the high quality standards that we have at Trina with really hard and deep checkings of our products that also will maximize the durability and the longevity of the products and will give a little bit of peace of mind to our customers and also maximize the rentability of their investments.
Yeah, fully agree. This is the last question for you, and then we will go with Mr. Ra. Okay. So, as a leader in innovation at TrinaTracker, can you share with us a futuristic vision that you think, or a concept that believe that will revolutionize the sector?
Yeah, I think there are future innovations like in AI, in artificial intelligence, with like machine learning applied to tracking algorithms that will probably in the future, like imagine that you have an autonomous system that follows the back tracking autonomously depending on the weather conditions, on energy patterns, or on all the conditions that will maximize the production and the efficiency of the energy production. So I think we have applied to smart backtracking system and packages will make us competitive and will be interesting in the future.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, maybe stay over here because maybe we will have time like to a couple of questions more. Okay. Okay. So now, Mr. Pak, the president of TrinaTracker, has been pivotal in driving our company growth and innovation in the solar tracking industry. Under his leadership, TrinaTracker has expanded its global presence and set the industry standards. Welcome, Mr. Pak. How are you today?
Hi, very good. So,
Can you
a little bit
Sorry, because there is a lot of noise here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you like the first question, okay?
Yeah.
Mr. Mao,
Yeah.
what's your long vision for our company?
in
Long term.
yeah. Yeah, thank you for the question. Actually, TrinaTracker, I should say first of all, we are quite ambitious. Yeah. About this PV industry, actually, tracker is a really important role of the total power station. Absolutely. People will think it's just a supporter or multi-system about the total system. But actually, it is a key part to keep the power station at very continuously generation of the power. And then it's a supporting system is also very important to the environment friendly and provide even the digital monitoring, even the energy management control for the whole power station. So the tracker, for myself, TrinaTracker, we are the leading company of the industry. Absolutely, I think we may have a big and bigger contribution to the industry. And TrinaTracker will play more important role leading the technology, leading the digitalization technology of the industry.
Thank you so much. Fully agree. Okay, I'm going.
Thank you, Mr. Ma, for your answer. That's another question for you. It is related to the previous one. What is your long-term vision of the company and which strategic objectives are most important to you over the next 5 years?
Okay. Yeah. For TrinaTracker, first of all, for Trinasolar, absolutely, we will use the solar, we will use the PV industry to benefit all the human beings. Sounds like a little bit bigger, but that's really, we are the innovation of all the energy. And tracker business, we will use our technology to improve the total performance of the power generation. as well as all the material-friendly, environmental-friendly ecosystem, as well as what I mentioned. Tracker will use more energy on the development technology, put more effort on the research and development, R&D input to lead the industry in the whatever wind tunnel test, or even the structure model, or even the quality control, as well as I mentioned, most important is the digitalization and provide the data service and the data self-learning improvement to the customer to make sure all these power stations we serve, whatever, Trinasolar as a whole, we provide our service and production to the customer to make sure they are the best performance and best condition on the environment for the world, for the customer, for the next time, even longer time.
Yeah, well, this question is related to navigating one of the big topics in the market. What specific initiatives is the company implementing to reduce its environmental footprint and promote more eco-friendly practices?
So first of all, from the design perspective, I mentioned we put a lot of effort, even big investment on R&D. So we will use the most recycling material, and on the design stage, we will maximize the utilization of the material to minimize the waste. Whatever is the material waste, even the gas, even the electricity waste, we will minimize it. We will digitalization control system for the manufacturing globally, not only in China, but also in Brazil, in Middle East, in the future in the US. So this is a key part of our business.
Okay, I think that we have time for more questions, so we will give you like some of them, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to start with you, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Man, TrinaTracker has achieved impressive growth, actually, under your leadership. Actually, thank you so much for all of that.
I think so.
What strategies have implemented to foster a culture of innovation within the company?
Okay. So actually, innovation, I always mention to the chief, innovation is a life.
Yes,
So business aspect is a life. It's a fundamental basic air and water for our life. Why? Because the total PV industry, we are generated, we are learning from all the innovation. Not only PV panels, but also tracker. So this is why we use most the latest wind tunnel test result to support our design, our structure, to make it less material usage, but more sustainability and more easy and more feasible, more quick for the on-site installation to save a lot of energy, even the manpower for the customer, even less material and less negative influence of the environment. So this is a key thing for us. This also makes TrinaTracker is the leading company position of the industry. So when we discuss with the customer, this is our duty of the data of our innovation and our entire design on structure, on quality control, even the cost control, but most importantly, we give the customer the low cost plus a high performance sustainable product make us grow really quick. Honestly, we double our business every year. This year we will be also double. We will have 15 gigawatts output. We already have 7 gigawatts orders on hand. So it will be another excellent year. Absolutely.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I'll go with you, Jorge, another one, that we have time. So Jorge just came from Spain, so thank you so much for being here with us, actually. So the question for you is, TrinaTracker has been expanding, with the rapid evolution of technology in the sector, how does TrinaTracker ensure it stays at the forefront, of innovation, and what challenge do you face in the process?
Yeah, I think it's the one was saying we are a company that is always innovating. I think like smart tracking solution is an innovative solution that will keep us in the top of the market, as well as we have improving our design of our tracker and integrating this technology with others like the module and the battery. I think all these capabilities will make us leading in the future of solar energy.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much both for us asking you this question. It was really a pleasure. Thank you so much. So that's all for today. We found that you inspiring our talk really good.
Yeah, indeed. Remember, the future of the solar energy is bright, and TrinaTracker is leading the way.
So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
That quick installation is coming up now. As you can see on the screen, we're about to start the quick installation session. So if you haven't reposted, please repost Trinasolar live stream post and share with us your stories with Trinasolar or your takeaways at Trinasolar for a chance to win our exquisite mug. Okay. Hello everyone. This is the quick installation session for Vanguard 2P. As you can see on the screen, we are about to start in a second. And hello everyone, as you can see, as time changes and as the industry develops these years, we have increasing demand for efficient installation. Previously, the conventional trackers are big and heavy, so installation has always been a pain point, especially in countries in say Australia and Europe. The labor costs there are rather high. So that is why we need to do quick installation. That is why we want to develop this quick installation. And here you can see the piles for Vanguard 2P, and here you can see the purlin, the torque tube, and here you can see the Vanguard 2P piles and the purlin and torque tube. As you can see, the pile is about 2 meters high. Without this installation solution, you could imagine that the construction workers, they would need to climb up and use ladders to go high. And in overseas markets, those construction workers, they need to have a permit to practice such special work. So with this quick installation design, we could just easily and efficiently mount the structure up. And next, our two technicians will show you how we would install this Vanguard 2P. As you can see, we are now mounting the panel. We only need 2 people to do that. And you just slide the panel up. As you can see, comparing to previous installation mechanisms, this mechanism is much more hassle-free. They could just fix it up, and that means cost saving and time saving for our owners. You could just simply clamp it up. You could just simply using a fixation clamp to fix it. Previously, we would use nuts and bolts to fix it, but now we could use the fixation clamp. You only require 5 seconds to install this fixation clamp. 4 clamps means 20 seconds, and 6 clamps means 30 seconds. So that means you only need maximum, say, 50 seconds to install your panel onto the structure. And comparing to the traditional solution, this could save you 30% of the installation time. As you can see, within a short minute, we have already put the panel up and completed the process. Now you're welcome to go to the side of the structure and see how the fixation clamp is installed. As you can see, the installation is already completed. Please, let's give a round of applause to our construction workers. And next, if you're interested in this quick installation structure, then you're welcome to talk to me.